So over here they are saying that we are having a solid toy in the form of hemisphere surmounted by right cone. So a thing which we have seen multiple times, we are having a hemisphere like this. This is a hemisphere, and above it we are having a cone. This doesn't seems like a cone. Let me draw it correctly. We are having a cone. So drawing not a straight line but an inclined one, so as to resemble like a cone. So this looks like a cone now. Yeah, now, this cylinder over here, not cylinder, sorry, sphere, and above that we are having a cone. So the radius would be same for both. The radius would be same for both. So let's focus upon this. We have been given the height of the cone. So height of the cone is given to us as 3. Very simple. The diameter of the base will be common for both. So radius for radius for the toy, let me say is RT is what? 4 by 2. That means 2 centimeter. I have to take the volume of the entire toy. So volume of the toy will be what? The volume of the hemisphere, which is 2 by 3 pi r cube plus the volume of the cone, which is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Over here things can be taken common, like what's up? 1 upon 3 pi r square is very simply taken common. 2r plus 2r from this one, and over here we are having 1 upon 3 pi r square out, so 2r plus h. Putting up the values, this 1 upon 3 into 3.14 as clearly mentioned over here. R we have calculated to be 2, to 2 square will be 4, 2 square, or let me write over here, and 2 into 2 will be 4 plus h value they have mentioned height is 3. So now this is the calculation which we have to do. If I do this calculation, this is 3.14 being multiplied by 4, which is further being multiplied by 4 plus 3, that is 7, and this is being divided by 3 ultimately. So 29.30 is the thing which is coming out. 29.30 is the volume in terms of centimeter cube of this particular toy. Now next part of this question says that this toy is inside a cylinder. It's inside a cylinder. Now we are having a cylinder of this form, which is circumcising this particular circumscribing this particular toy. Important thing over here to understand is that whatever the radius of the particular toy was there, that will be same, because both will be touching each other, and from top to bottom the total height can be easily calculated. For the cone the height is 3, so in this particular case height of cylinder will be what? Height of cylinder will be 3, that is of the cone, plus the diameter of the, or not the diameter, since we are dealing with hemispheres, the radius of the hemisphere. So radius of the hemisphere over here is what? 2. So 3 plus 2, 5 is the height, 5 centimeter. We have the height, we have the radius, we can calculate the volume, or I will directly say difference. I want the difference, so difference would be what? Difference would be the volume of the cylinder, minus the toy volume. So this is pi r square h minus the value we have for this is 29.3. Let's put up the value 3.14, r being 2, so 2 square into h we have calculated as 5. So this multiplication minus 29.3. So let's do this calculation of 3.14 being multiplied by 4 multiplied by 5. 62.8 is the calculation for this. 62.8 minus 29.3. When we subtract 29.3 from 62.8, it comes out to be 33.5. So over here this is 33.5. 33.5 what? 33.5 centimeter